Have you ever marveled at the artistry of a snowflake or the industriousness of an ant colony? Ever wondered how simple things can come together to create something much bigger and more interesting? This, my friends, is the concept of emergence at play. Consider a box filled with Lego bricks. Each individual piece on its own is just a simple, colorful block, but align them in particular patterns, and suddenly, they transform into a castle or a spaceship, or whatever your imagination conjures up. This is emergence in action, where the whole becomes far more fascinating than its individual parts. Now let's take a closer look at the natural world. Think about a beehive. Each bee is but a tiny insect, yet collectively they construct complex honeycombs, produce honey and nurture their young. A solitary bee cannot accomplish these tasks. It's the collective action, the interaction of bees, that leads to the emergence of a sophisticated system. Traffic flow on highways is another instance of emergence. Each car is merely a mechanical contraption on wheels, but when they move collectively, adhering to traffic rules, they can either create a frustrating traffic jam or a smooth flow of vehicles. Emergence is indeed everywhere. It is the magic that transforms simple water droplets into intricate snowflakes, drives ant colonies to function like a well-oiled machine, and enables the human brain, composed of billions of neurons, to generate complex thoughts and emotions. So, what does this all mean? Emergence reminds us that even the simplest elements can contribute to grand outcomes when they interact in just the right way. It's a kind of enchantment that emerges when the whole becomes much more than the sum of its parts. Emergence can be observed at various scales and in various systems, from atoms and molecules undergoing chemical reactions and phase transitions, to the macroscopic scale of ecosystems and societies. For instance, a single water molecule's behavior doesn't explain why water freezes into ice at a certain temperature. However, when these molecules interact, emergent properties like solidity and crystalline structure appear. Similarly, in biological systems, the human brain, composed of billions of neurons, gives rise to emergent properties like consciousness and intelligence, which cannot be attributed to a single neuron. Even in social systems, emergence is at work. The collective behavior of individuals following traffic rules leads to patterns like traffic jams or smooth traffic flow. In essence, emergence is the magic trick of the universe, where simple pieces, whether Lego bricks, bees, or neurons, come together to create something extraordinary. It's the underlying principle that makes the world around us so wonderfully complex and endlessly fascinating.